Hmm. Hmm. What? CM cursor primary. Oh, it can be replaced. So, so this I guess can do that. Let's put it like a huge amount, like a huge number. Okay, now it works. Doesn't work. I don't know. I don't know. 30, I guess. Because if I do, yeah, there is like a. I think 40 was good. Control R, CD into Obsidian, and V, smooth cursor, place UN, CW, 45 ms. So I think yeah, that's better. This is much more fluid. 7G, where, where, wait. I will need my Control T, Control O, and then Oracle report. So, you just do that from okay, where username is equal to, in this case, username, and then so we have SQL, and then this. Let's go users. Node info. The command above can only be run in the sys/system account database is administer account. Yep. Account. If you are not the sys/system account, you can use the command, use this command to if you're not this, you can use this command to be able to check what users are connected to your current account. We are going to see how to link accounts, link tables, and other stuff below. from one account to another. So what? So username, well, yeah, we can't have that 77k. V shift U. I need to add do. I need to do screen key, and then you can see. Then I'm smelling methane gas. Just give me a moment. I'm smelling methane gas. I am a person that is extremely thirsty. Don't judge. So we have that. So we have that, and then what do we have next? Oh, it does show if I'm using. Oh, nice. Okay, so creating users, creating users, verify, verify creation of user. Now, wait a second. I have it on my laptop, and I deleted every single thing, so I'm adding it back because I'm a fool. Just bear with me a sec. Okay, boot up. So fucking slow. Oh shit. Who viewed? You're joking me, bro. GU open in terminal. Git status. No. It's a git status. You know what? Let me just clone it again. I don't care. Let me just clone it again. GitHub, delete, right click, open in terminal. Git clone. That's gonna clone. let it clone, and then I'm gonna add it, and I'm gonna push it, and then I'm gonna fetch it. Because I don't remember what I did. That's the thing. I forgot. I'm a human. I forget. So let's clear cd dot ls. So we have Oracle assignment. Okay, so we have also cd SQL assignment 2. You know what? I'm gonna make another directory in that. So clear. So wait a second. cd dot ls. Nah, let it be like that. So cd university ls cd sql ls mkdir learning dash oracle ls cd learning dash oracle, and then you say alternative 4, and then you say explorer dot, and then you say Windows M, and then you say Windows M again, and then you say all of this, Control C, Control V, and then again Control C, Control V, and then what do we have here? We have here some things which is rough, so I don't care about this. And then what do we gonna say? We're gonna say ls get status. We're gonna run an ls again, ls cd dot ls cd dot rm no, so explorer dot, so I can do university assignment, so delete that, that's it, and then get status, and then git add dot git commit dash m, making my version of an Oracle SQL commands documentation git push dash u origin main, enter, and then enter. We are back on this. So wait, does this work if I do so theme, if I do Tokyo Night, for example? Oh, it still works. Nice. I mean, it's CSS, it should work, it needs to work, but you never know. So think it's good. Git log, so git log here, and then I'm gonna say okay, so good, it's good. So I can just do gp alternative 4 here on this laptop. I've removed and I have added. So yes, as you can see, we did not have that, but if I do 3, we are going to have this. So ls clear cd sql assignment 2 cd learning oracle nv dot space un. So the username and password, so I don't know why it's doing that, to be honest. Maybe because I have added the Zen mode. That may be why. So list all users in the database. List users in database system. It's not only that. I don't know why it's doing that. Shit. So select username from control Z, control V, and then select username from all users, and yeah. Okay. So what is the difference between uh, select all select all uh, from dba underscore users? I mean, I just did that. dba users on all users, but I still, oh wait. What is it? Select all from dba, so your username, yeah. No, but I want to like actually know what's the difference now. Users and select all from all underscore users. dba. So note this the command will require database the this command will require what database privileges? So can do this, delete this, insert this, and then say database account, database administrator, and then I can go to 18k and then paste this here. Require database also privileges. .e must be in sys/system to be able to use it. This command is database wide it the table dba underscore users will contain information about all users in the database system. Note this command does not require any DBA privileges and thus it can be used by any user. This command is schema wide. So the scope the scope of this command. So the scope of this command. So you say 7G, paste this here, delete this. Is the schema wide. Contains information. Contains in the table all underscore users contains information about all users that is currently visible to the that is visible visible to the span style is equal to color is equal to orange and current user. Okay, now I could say it does kind of output the same thing, but it does not really works that way. See, we have many things. So I guess when you are going to run the commands above and up arrow and compare them, you will see that the first command which the one that needs DBA access will provide more information for undo for. Delete user. How can we remove/delete a user entirely? With its schema schema and tables and stuff. Yeah, I remember I was trying to remove that user. So Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, change username, Verify creation of user. So change username of user. If we're gonna change the username, I'm gonna say SQL warning. This cannot be done directly in Oracle 10G. The way we do that is not straightforward. I'm gonna oh no, I'm gonna delete that. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. The way we do that is not that straightforward. So it's not that straightforward. It's not that straightforward. Yes. Okay. So uh so steps to change username of such username. So why am I going like that? Steps. Create a new user with the desired username. Note: as we are only changing the username, let the process let the password be the same. So that is nice, and then we need to create a user. After creating the user, here's the output, and then transfer all the schema tables, permissions, everything to the user, the newly created user. So the newly created user, and then so I did it wrong, obviously. 2, 3, and then we look at 4 later. Grant the user all the same permissions as our original user. Okay, and then create table.testing. So transfer all the things and then delete that table. So like so, and then undo, delete slash the original user. So one, create a new user with the desired username. So I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna say 10k. Shift V. Go down, and then say username new. Or this. Or shift this. Yeah, possibility. Again, don't change the password as bruh. Control R, Control R, Control R. No. Again, don't change the password of the user as we are only changing the username dot then you know what, let's do like a note, and then like that, and then transfer all the data items. Control this, create, transfer all the items the above commands. Create the new username identified by password. Yes. Transfer all the data items to that user, to the newly created user. In this case, we are going to transfer. Okay, so this command below, down arrow, will show you how to transfer the contents of a table to another user. Now, when you so warning, when you use that command, you get the option to change the name of the table. As I have been saying, we are only bruh we are only changing the username of the user. Hence, everything needs to be everything still needs to be the same. But I will still show you how you can use this same command and to create another to create that table with a different table name. So the command will be SQL. So it's gonna be create table new underscore username dot table underscore name as select all from original username dot table underscore name. Okay, from what I can say, tip, change the name of table. I told you that I will be showing you. So any table name hence in this case we can see that the original the original table name was obviously table name, and when transferring the contents, we transferred it to a table which, by the way, has just been created when you run the command, which have been just created when you run the command. When transferring the contents, we transferred it to a table called any underscore table underscore name. You can see right here. but wait a second. No. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait. Wait a second. Spacey. Under shift 2. 2. Quit. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. ls cd github/university ls cd sql. I'm gonna let it. It's good, but I already have it here. Fuck. Ding 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 ding. Bang bang ping ping ping. So that was a 2. So that was 2. So yeah. So that was 4. I'm gonna put that down. That's what she said. General steps, and then yeah. Yeah. So 3, delete the original user. This is going warning. I mean, when you're deleting something, you have to give like a person a warning, you know. This will delete everything. Sikule. What am I doing, eh? Drop table. Control C, Control V. The table, so original underscore username, cascade. The cascade option make it so that it's the cascade option makes it so that deletes everything and does not left anything anything behind. So we know how to create. We know how to list users. First of all, we know how to list users. So Oracle 10G command list users in database, list users in database system. We know how to verify the user. We are going to check what comes after change the user of a username, change username of user, change the password of a user. Wait. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Change password of a user. User. To change the password of a user, we can simply run the command. So southwest arrow. So SQL. So CRW username identified by new underscore pass WD. That is it. Wait a second. Just give me a minute. Give me a moment. 1 moment, please. Tmux. Control S. No, Control yeah. C Obsidian ls repo dash ls rm dash rfs dot sunhaloo cp underscore og clear exit lg a c starting to work on no gs. Okay, okay, clear. GL. Okay, so that is good. So LG C starting to work on what? On Oracle 10G my documentation need to finish this today and start Java programming in arrays 2D dash arrays to get warmed up again with programming. I've not done programming since a long time, and I want to do programming, but people like my teacher don't care. Clear tmux dash d. No, tmux d. Tmux detach what? No, oh, Control S. So Control S I. Control S I, and then you can do this. Control S D. Tmux ls. Tmux a. Control S W. Of this. And then this. So you can say exit. No. Control S. Control S. Kill dash server. Clear, and then tmux ls again. Nothing nice. In this case our new password for the username username will become new underscore post wd. Yippee! The cola. Now you can also verify that the users have been created and deleted correctly again by using the command above command. Do I? No, because this is my notes and I don't care, and I'm gonna be posting that on fucking on this website. I'm gonna be posting that obviously on this website, so you can actually like click and it will go back up and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna be bothering. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, why does it not have the graph view? I want the graph view. Oh no, because I did something with it. Oh shit. Commands list users in database. Command above. Now so nice, and then change username and password. Delete a user from database system. We have already used this command when we were when we learning about how to change the username change to change the username of a username user, but here is the command again. So S.Sunhaloo drop username cascade. Is this good? I don't remember. Close enough. Drop user that, and then that's it for users, I guess. Username and passwords. Now, did I use grant grant. Now I think I have this better in this. So change password of user. Delete a user. Grant permission to user. Wait, I did research about that. I think. I don't remember. But I know that I learned about that. Where did it go? Yes. That was it. Here it is. Types of grant. Types of privileges in Oracle Tangi. And then we say 1.4G. And then you say this. I'm gonna close out the stream in a few minutes. Grant permission to user. Grant permissions to user. Types of privileges in Oracle. Types of privileges. So 1.5K to say this. Then that's it. The mux control. What's this? CD obsidian. S CD so repo dash is rm dash rfs.sunhaloo. ls cd so cp underscore og exit ls clear gs clear lg a c arrived at granting permissions to user. Push this and then